GetCreditScore Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of GetCreditScore Credit Score Tool. You can find links to this tool in the description below, so feel free to explore them for more details. In this video, I'll share the key features, benefits, and who this tool is designed for to ensure you get a clear understanding of what it offers. GetCreditScore is a straightforward and free credit score tool that provides users with insights into their credit health. It's powered by Experian, one of the major credit reporting agencies, ensuring that the data you receive is accurate and reliable. The platform is designed to cater to individuals looking to monitor their credit score, understand factors affecting it, and make informed financial decisions. The tool's primary feature is offering your Experian credit score at no cost. It provides detailed explanations of the elements influencing your score, including payment history, credit inquiries, and credit utilization. This breakdown helps you identify areas where you can improve. Additionally, the platform updates your credit score monthly, allowing you to track your progress over time. One standout feature of GetCreditScore is its educational approach. The platform provides valuable resources and tips to help users improve their credit health. Whether it's guidance on managing debt, tips for reducing credit utilization, or understanding how inquiries impact your score, the tool equips you with actionable advice tailored to your financial situation. The user interface is clean and simple, making it easy to navigate for beginners and experienced users alike. Another benefit is the option to compare financial products such as loans, credit cards, and mortgages. These recommendations are based on your credit profile, helping you find options that match your eligibility and needs. This tool is ideal for anyone seeking a hassle-free way to access and monitor their credit score. Whether you're building your credit, recovering from past financial challenges, or simply staying informed, GetCreditScore offers valuable insights to keep you on track. In summary, GetCreditScore is an excellent, user-friendly credit monitoring tool for those serious about managing their financial health. Be sure to check the links in the description to learn more and start using GetCreditScore today.